Hello, people. If you've been here before, welcome back. If it's the first time, and it's Pina, and this is a series of video tutorials for people, students who want to get a better score in the TOEFL test. You can take it independently, or if you are taking a TOEFL preparation course that can help you, review some of the topics that you're working on. Right now, we're working with structure and written expression, and about skill 35. Skill to define, use the correct tense with time expressions. Often in sentences in the written expression section of the TOEFL test, there is a time expression that clearly indicates what verb tense is needed in the sentence. For example, we moved to New York in 1970. In the first example, the time expression in 1970 indicates that the verb should be in the simple past. Moved to New York in 1970. We had left there by 1980. In the second example, the time expression by 1980 indicates the verb should be in the past perfect. We had left. We have lived in San Francisco since 1982. In the third example, the time expression since 1982 indicates that the verb should be in the present perfect. Have lived. We have lived since 1982. Some additional time expressions that clearly indicates the correct tense are ago, last, and lately. For example, she got a job 2 years ago. In this example, the time expression 2 years ago indicates that the verb should be in the past. She got a job. She started working last week. The second example, the time expression last week indicates that the verb should be in the simple past, started. She has worked very hard lately. In this example, the time expression lately indicates that the verb should be in the present perfect. She has worked. Okay. So here we have a chart where they indicate time expressions. If you got something like by 1920, we use the past perfect. If it's simple past, we use expressions like ago, last, in. And if it's the present perfect, we tend to work with since and let. Okay. Skill exercise 5. Each of the following cells contains a time expression. We're going to circle the time expressions, underline the verbs twice, then indicate the cells are correct or incorrect. Look at the example. Phone rang incessantly last. Here we have time expression. Rang, this is for the past tense. And the verb in the past tense, so this is correct. They have finished contacting everyone by 4 o'clock yesterday. That's past perfect. And this is present perfect, so this is incorrect, but it should be had finished contacting everyone. Okay, now it's time for you to pause the video and complete the activities. When you finish, come back and we'll see. We'll check what you have done. Okay, pause the video now and we can make it. Okay, now they're back. Let's see what we got. The pilgrims have arrived in the New World in 1612. Okay, 1612 also for the past, simple past tense. And the verb in the present perfect, so this is incorrect. It should be the pilgrims arrived in 1612. Time expression since the new law was passed, it has been difficult to estimate taxes. So, yep, that's right. Present perfect. That's been difficult. The cashier put the money into the account 2 hours ago. That is past tense. The verb in past tense. So this is okay. No problem. All the votes have been counted last week. Okay, last week is past tense. And this is present perfect. So this is incorrect. It should be all the votes were counted last week. Students are writing many compositions lately, right? Lately is the expression, time expression for the present. Perfect. So our writing is present continuous, so this is incorrect. it should be students. No, this is incorrect. The students have written many compositions. It should be lately, right? This is incorrect. The Senate votes on the law to ban cigarette smoking in public in 1990. That's past tense. Votes is in the present tense, so this is incorrect. It should be voted. The Senate voted on the law to ban cigarettes in 1990. The expression time is by the time the main course was served. All the guests had arrived and been seated. Past perfect. And I had not done much work since I talked to you on Wednesday. Since is present perfect. I had not done is past perfect. So here we got a problem. Should be I have not done much homework since I talked to you on Wednesday. Okay. So take a look at what we did, take a look at your answers. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Okay. So if you found this material useful, give it a thumbs up. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel so we can get bigger and stronger. And if you know anybody who can benefit from this type of material, please share it with them. This is free tutorial. So, it's available for anyone who wants to use it. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next